Hey guys, this indicator makes total of 68.2% profit for the past few days, and the percentage of profitability is 50.78%. So in this video, I will show you an indicator that will show signal to buy or even sell for long-term position. So let's start. First of all, in this indicator, the indicator called Autotrade built it aboard 5-minute chart by Menalu. So basically later I will take 3 reversal point and I will use risk reward ratio projection to find out its profit to its lot. Later we will study for few points, and also if the risk reward projection is more than 1, we can plan our trade as the reward is higher compared to the risk. So basically the risk reward when it's more than 1 is basically can be planned as our strategy for trading. As for disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. In this video, we are going to show you indicator Autotrade build aboard. So basically, this indicator uses for short time frame. Short time frame include trading intraday, day trading, swing trade for Forex, stock, or even cryptocurrency. Basically, you can see in the chart will show long signal, and also it will show close entry for a long order. So basically later it will signify you and alert you when a good position is formed in the chart. And the red line here you can see is the time frame of the long position based on the long signal. So basically we will show you the indicator in the chart in TradingView, and also they are using a quite short time frame to indicate for the indicator. So let's start. First of all, you can open out this indicator by going to the indicators tab, and you can search for Autotrade build aboard. So basically you can just open any types of indicator. They indicate 5 minutes and also even 1 minute. So we will use 5-minute chart for our indicator. After that, it will come out the indicator, and as you can see, it shows a quite few positions made by the trade. You can choose your favorable time frame. For example, these are choosing for 1 month. Basically, you can see each of the time frame section will be half an hour, and also you can choose for others maybe 5 days. So for 5 days, based on this stock Palante, you can synchronize the trading strategy out. Basically, you can see the net profit if you are using for this time frame is 32.3% net profit, and the percentage of profitability is 52.94%. You can try out for different time frame and synchronize based on your trading strategy and plan. And also you can customize for the indicator. For example, you can just go to the strategy and press for settings. You can choose the setting based on your trading preference. For example, you want to change for the long only, short only, or flip the opens. Basically for this indicator, current setting is for only long position. You also can set for short position and also for others length and the RSI period. Maybe you are trading more shorter time frame, you can just customize this based on your trading strategy. And also you also can check for the description for this script. You can just go to the 3 dots and press about this script. So basically it will show the definition and the script based on the indicator. So you can find out based on your indicator at the settings tab. After that, let's go through. So currently I'm choosing for 5 days chart, and for each interval will be 50 minutes, as you can see, 5:10, 5:15, 5:20. So each of the chart will be performed in a 5 minutes candlestick. So this suits for this indicator, as this indicator is AutoView built-in board 5-minute chart. So basically this will show you the good example of how you can trade using this indicator. So for example, at this position, long position, it generates out signals to buy long position. So basically, as you can see, when you take the trade, so here will be the signal, and if you take the trade, will be 1.16% of trading, and if you want to plan for your stop loss, will be around this area. So basically, for this position, the risk reward will be 4.8 if you want to have your trade. So basically, you can plan your trade as if you set your position to the nearest support and resistance. Basically, you can have a good trade for 3%, but the stop loss will be 0.24. Basically, it's 3% more than 1, means that your reward will be more higher compared to your risk. So basically, this is a good trade if you want to have your trade. And next, we'll set for other position. So at the meantime, I will generate out volume for our reference. For example, at this area, it has a quite downtrend for a few period, and as you can see, based on the graph, the downtrend is also going downwards, so means that the downtrend will be more or less obvious compared to the upside. So basically, you can be aware at this graph and you can make a position. After that, when it goes for a few times of downtrend, it shows a long position signal. Basically, this signal you can plan your trading strategy. So let's plan our trading strategy for a long position. So at this area, if you want to check back, we will set to around this area, means that it will go back up to this area for the past volume area. And if you want to share a short position, will be the lowest point as a support. So basically, this risk reward ratio is also a nice trading strategy, as the risk reward is 8.2, and also the position is quite nice, as you can make more reward compared to the risk. So basically, this is how you can plan your trading strategy based on this long short position. And we will find out a few more points. Okay, so we'll find out for this point. For example, this long position, we'll take this point as for our consideration. So it will be this point. Okay, so the position is going downwards and it have a big volume candlestick form at the past few days. So basically, it will have a downtrend until it finds a long position. Basically, this too is a long position, but this area is quite dangerous as it has a long downtrend, and the trend maybe still haven't found any reversal and is going to be downwards. So basically, you can just find for the second confirmation. You only plan your trade based on the confirmation, and we can set our projection. So basically, from this point, if you want to set our position, will be quite high until this area, but I think it's quite hard to go back to that area as the high volume drop. So basically, we take half as our projection for our reward, and also for our stop loss confirm for will be at this point. So basically, this is also a winning trade, as the risk reward ratio is 3.75, and you can take your position, and also you need to consider your cut loss. When the price reaches to your cut loss, you make sure that you take your cut loss, as you already plan for your strategy for your trade. So yeah, basically that's how you can use this auto view built-in strategy for 5-minute chart. If you want to do for shorts, you also can short position. You can just change for the setting for the short position, and you can plan your trade with the risk reward position and a shorter time frame for 5 minutes. So yeah, basically that's all how you can plan your trade using this indicator. You can try out yourself, make sure that you do some paper trading, and also some stimulation run before you try it out in the real world. And this video is also for educational purpose only. You need to find your best trading strategy that suits for your planning. So yeah, basically that's all. Thank you.